Welcome to Bexton. We are a professional geocell manufacturer with products sold all over the world. The production process of geocells begins with the selection of high-quality raw materials. The raw material we use is high-density polyethylene, HDPE. By feeding these materials into an extruder, a continuous HDPE film is melted and formed in an extruder, and then cut to a certain size. The strips are then perforated and welded together to form a honeycomb structure. This structure is expanded to form flexible, interconnected cells. We implement quality control measures throughout the process to ensure that the geocells meet strict standards. After the geocells pass the inspection, they will be cut to the right size, packaged, and prepared for shipment. Our efficient and precise manufacturing process produces durable and reliable geocells that are widely used in soil stabilization, erosion control, and load support.